How to set different notification sounds for different apps on Android. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Today I'll show you how to set different notification sounds for each app on your Android device. It's a great way to know which app sent a notification without even looking at your phone. Customizing notification sounds for different apps can help you stay organized and know what's important. Here is how you can do it. Open Settings and go to App and Notifications. Select the app you want to customize and tap on Notifications. Look for sound or advanced options and choose your preferred notification sound. Repeat the steps for each app you want to customize. And that is how you set custom notifications for different apps. If you found this guide helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel. And if you have any questions, please drop them below. Thank you for watching.